right, I want to talk about a platform that is called Auto F. It is actually a platform that pays you for making calls. It's an international platform, pays for making calls. So this is how the platform is. Let me take you step by step on how to get registered. First of all, you need a VPN. You don't need a proxy. You need just a normal VPN. That is just what you need. So this is my VPN here. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm using United States. I'm using Atlanta. So I'm going to toggle it on. Once it is on, then I will now go to the site. Okay, this is it. This is the site. Like I said, the name is AutoX. So once your VPN is on, you go to the site. This is the site. So it is loading. Let's just give it some time. All right, it is done loading. It is done loading. This is actually the platform. When you open it newly, you have to register. Put in your details. Make sure your VPN is on, please. Put in your details, just a normal details, your name, where you were born. They will ask you some few questions. So you just have to put in your details. And when you come to this side, you'll see your invite link. You see your invite link, and here, this place is the place where you get your recorded calls. As you are recording the calls, they are actually writing it somewhere, so you can go through it at any time. And here is my profile. You write your name, write whatever it is that you are doing, and I'll just write something captivating. And inside the profile, there are actually 6 of them. So you have to fill it. Look at the ones I filled. These are my identity. You tell them your name, your place of birth, your resident, the language, academic, your work, and personality. So that is just it. So take note of this time. You see this time here, because normally the calls usually come by 12 to 2 a.m. or by 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. And you will make sure that wherever you are receiving the call, or the earpiece you are using is not a noisy one. You have to get a good earpiece to use to record calls, because it will make sure your earpiece are good. So there are actually criteria before you can start making calls, and you can be earning up to $27 per hour according to their prediction here. All right, at this place you will see the criteria, the things you need to have before you can go through this platform. Okay, here we can see their verification criteria. They say you need to have a high audio quality in conversation, strong engagement and conversation flow, positive feedback from chat partners, consistent participation, and reliability. So you just have to make sure all these are in place before you can sign up for this platform. The platform actually pays. It's just for you to just get registered with the link below this video. Follow the instructions and get registered, then start taking calls. Don't forget, the calls usually come in by 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. or by 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. So just take note. Make sure you are in a quiet environment whenever you are making that conversation. So just get registered and let me know in the comments below how it is going with you. Thank you for watching, and do have a great day ahead.